Hello, it is Dolly. Welcome to my channel, Scrapping on the Go. This process video is for Mini Kit Monday with Becky, Kathy, and myself. And I am going to share a completed layout, which will be layout number 1, using my June 2025 Mini Kit Monday kit that I put together based off of this inspiration board that you should see right in front of you. And from the Laura Whitaker sketch. So those were my two inspiration pieces for the layout, the completed layout that I'm going to share with you right now. Just wanted to let you know, I did start the process of videoing the creation of this layout, but my family members decided that they wanted to chat with me a lot, and so I had to keep pausing my video, but it picked up their voices. And to be honest, I didn't feel like going through and detaching it and doing a voiceover. So we're just going to do a layout share. I hope that's a-okay with you. I don't do it that often, but this is one of those times that I am. So let me bring my completed layout in front of you. I love how this turned out. It fits the mood and feel for this older photograph of my father and mother-in-law and my husband when he was just a toddler with his brother, one of his brothers, I should say. The other one wasn't born yet, but anyway. So let's get started, and I think that I'm going to start from the top and work my way to the bottom of all these layers. So let's start in the upper left-hand corner. So I have a vellum butterfly from the Vicky Bouton Emporium collection. And then I have two tags from the Echo Park Frames and Tag collection. And I don't know the name. I think it's called Family Frames and Tag collection. And then we're going to move over here to this sticker group. These are all stickers. And this is from Close to My Heart, the Good Life collection. And then we're going to move over here to the lower left or lower right hand corner. This is left, middle, and right if I mix that up. So we have, I guess I would call this a frame, and these two little bits right here, these two little circles, not this one, but this one. All three of these are from the Echo Park Family Frames and Tag collection. This little piece is from Tim Holtz, and this came in my mixed media kit from Crafty Maven Getaway. And so that's from, and so did the butterfly. That's how I have this die cut, is from that collection. And this vellum piece, and this vellum piece is also from the Vicky Bouton Emporium collection. Now this little tag right here is from a 49 and Market collection, and it's going to be either Bird Song or Crafty Garden. But I do know that definitely is a 49 in Market. Of course, we have the photograph. Then the paper layers under here. Oh, and I do have another tag right here from the Echo Park collection. Sorry about that. I may put twine in there. I completely forgot about that. So I probably am, because I don't like the fact that there's just an empty hole. All right. So, and then to the right here is embroidery thread that came from the Crafty Maven Getaway mixed media kit for May of 2025. I forgot to mention that. And then this is a scrap paper right here. This is a scrap paper, so I don't remember the collection. This wood grain paper is from the Good Life collection. This wood grain paper is from Stampin' Up! When I had joined for just a couple of months, but things happened and I had to just stop. But anyway, that's from there. And then this butterfly paper is from the Vicky Bouton collection. And then my 12 by 12 base paper is from Bo Bunny. I don't remember the name of the collection, but it's probably mentioned in my kit reveal. Now, under all of this, I used 2 stencils and 2 ink colors. And let me find them. They're over here to the right of me. So this is the circle that I used, and I'm trying to see if there's anything on this circle that tells me where it came from. There is not. So I used this circle first in the background with pine color from Close to My Heart. It's a water-based dye ink, and I used my little sponge dauber, and I put the ink through the stencil right in this section here. And yes, more than half of it's covered up, but you can see it peeking through. Then I used this heart stencil, which is from Paige Evans. I purchased it when she first came out with doing stencils. And I used cinnamon ink from Close to My Heart. And again, it's a water-based dye ink. And I just took this stencil and put it kind of on a diagonal and just kind of moved it along and made these heart cascade from top to bottom or bottom to top, however you want to say it. And then I added Heidi Swapp Color Shine in gold. Yes, I still have some of this. When I knew she was not making this anymore for a little bit, I don't know if she is now again, but I had like 3 bottles. This is my last bottle, and it still works fabulous. It has not dried out. It's perfect. And I added those splatters here, and you may not see them, but I will have close-ups at the end. And oh, and I inked all the edges of my papers here, my paper layers, with the Tim Holtz Distress ink in Black Soot. So I am very, very pleased how this layout turned out. Again, the paper selection within my kit, the embellishments, everything fit the mood and feel of my photograph, how I put it together. I appreciate you all. To help bring traffic to my channel, give me a thumbs up, leave a comment if you would like below. Come check out our Facebook group site. And if you are creating along with us, please snap a photograph of your creation and upload it over there in the June 2025 album. And you never know, you may be a lucky winner that receives a gift from one of us Mini Kit Monday ladies. All right, until next time, like I always say, get out your scrappy supplies and those photographs if you are documenting memories, or just get out your scrappy supplies and make a beautiful creation. And we'll see you next time. Bye.